Kane.
Yeah.
Constable Fitzgerald.
Yeah.
How's he got music going? Constable Fitzgerald, Glaston Police, just letting you know that you're being issued with the infringement notice for failing to wear a seatbelt in the back of the police car like I told you I would. So I kept my promise, no threat. I definitely was going to give you a ticket for the offence, so that's what you're getting. So your details at the top, the offence details down here in the bottom area. So it was on Pender Avenue, New Auckland. You failed to, as a passenger, 16 years or older, you failed to wear a seatbelt. So the fine is $1,078 and 4 demerit points. So we'll put this with your paperwork so you can have that when you go, alright? Yeah, very welcome. Very welcome.